Hi guys, it's Miss Davis here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 4, Lesson 14. In this lesson, we're going to be talking about using counting on and the make 10 strategy when adding across a 10. So looking at this, it's 27 plus 5. Now we have two questions that we're going to be asking ourselves through this. We're going to be looking at the bigger number. And we're going to ask ourselves, how many do I need to make a 10 or a new 10? But we know that we're going to be looking at the ones place in that bigger number, which is 27, which we're going to be looking at 7. How many more do I need to make a new 10 when it's 7? So how many more does 7 need to be 10? But we know that 7 needs 3 more to be a 10. So now we have to ask ourselves, well, do I have enough on this other number to make a new 10? Well, there's 5. I know 5 is more than 3, so I know that we can take 3 from the 5. So 27 is going to go ahead and take 3 because 27 needs to make that 10. Remember, they all want to make that new 10. And then from that 5, there's going to be 2 left. So now we have 27 plus 3, which is 30. So now I have to add 30 plus 2 together. So 30 plus 2, which I know that 30 plus 2 is 32. Now, there's this number sentence that we have to make. And we're basically going to use 30, which is whenever we made that new 10, and 2, which is what we had to add to it to get our answer, which is 32. So we know that 30 plus 2 equals 32. Now at the bottom, this is called like the arrowway because you do more of the counting, like counting on. So 27, we knew that we needed to add 3 to 27 to make that new 10, which would be 30. So right here, we're making 10. And then the next one, we're adding our leftovers. Which our leftovers of that 5 was 2. So 30 plus 2 is 32. So now looking at 32, we know 32 has 3 10s and 2 1s. Alright guys, that's it for this video.